Hello everyone. Today I'll take you through the journey of transforming a simple 2D pic into a 3D form. You can use these ideas as a gift to your friends, family and relatives. Here a simple paper has been converted into a kettle and a cup. You can see that. I have many. So here dinosaurs, sea dinosaurs converted into a 3D sculpture art. Living room. So here is being written when the first stereo record was invented in a small format, when was the first earthen port was discovered, when the first video recorder was invented, TV. Same here, everything is written, the inventions and the discoveries of the living room. You can see the violin here. The first modern violin was made in Italy in 1565. So there are many things which has been done in a simple pop-up form. Scene of a race car. Same here, the scene of a bike race. Scene of a boat. A scene of a beach where people are enjoying. This one is my favorite, children, the bathroom. How the bathroom was, when it was discovered, when there was this kind of bathroom, when there was no mirror, how people were using, what they were doing it as a mirror, what they were using. When the first toilet was invented. So it's written here, Sir John Harrington Godson of Elizabeth invented a flushing toilet in 1589. So I have tried to cover all the inventions and discoveries in my own painting. Dinosaurs, Stegosaurus. I have converted the simple paper into a 3D sculpture form. This is Tyrannosaurus. Camptosaurus loves to eat leaves. The dinosaur is the only one species who loves to eat the leaves. So it's being shown a dinosaur eating the leaves of the tree. Nothing, children, drawing pages, void sheets has been used and converted into a pop-up and the sculpture form. Again the the dinosaur Archaeopteryx, which looks like a bird, and the flying dinosaur, you can see. Beautiful. You can see this monument. You can understand what is this monument. India's pride. Cutting, carving and folding and converting into a 3D sculpture art. And I've used a normal paper, children, and background I have used a colored paper for more good visibility. simple picture showing the peace, unity, piece paper, white paper is being cut and it being formed, converted into a 2D, 3D form. Now you have seen how you can convert a simple paper into a 3D art form. Now children and everyone, go and try it yourself. Thank you for watching it.